Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is my very first video, and today we are going to turn this design form into an HTML form using Tailwind CSS. Firstly, I'll make the background be gray, and I will center it. And now let's start with a form. Let's start with the top part. Okay, we have a div here, and the x3. I have rewrite so we can have shorter time. Focus on the design. Okay. Then we have the second part, which is the radial input. We have the label. And this is we're looking for, and that's we have a grid here. And there's a gap in the middle. Sorry. Gap 6 maybe. Okay, now we have the label. We don't use for because everything inside the label will automatically focus when we click on the label. So we will use input text, change it to radial, and we should hide it using Tailwind CSS class, utility class, with string reader only. This is mean you will still can focus using a tab button, tab key, and it doesn't appear on front end. Then we have the design. Okay, the pen. Okay, then we have the label. Okay. Okay, the form background. Then okay, big LG. Okay, cool. Put a bit shadow and padding. Okay, the shadow is quite big. Okay, then it tell us about you. On semi-bold text. So okay, cool. The text. Okay, nice. Give some spacing. Okay, the form is a bit wide, and we can set XL. Okay, it looks better, and we don't want the text too long. Padding right 20. Okay. Okay, now next you're looking for this part, text small, text gray 500. Okay, and also for the input. Okay. Okay, I will start with text gray 500, and is inline flex. Give it a padding, a border, rounded. Okay, rounded, and item center, and justify center. Okay, then we set small. Okay, the button looks a bit long, then we decrease. Okay, maybe 60. Nothing. 12. Still nothing. Maybe 10. Okay. And you are looking for design. Okay, now when we hit tab, we can see the focus. So we must tell focus within border blue with 600, 500, and also when we focus within ring 1 and focus within ring blue 500. Okay, let's see how. Okay, cool. Okay, now we have the border turns blue, but we don't have the icon and design. Okay, so we have the PX. Okay, should we set PX for PY2? And the icon we give it margin right 2. Okay, and if you are looking for maybe, okay, give it some breathing gap. Okay, still we haven't set the blue focus. Okay, to focus on this icon and text, then we should use the peer for the input, and when the peer is focused, blue 500, and same for this one, peer focused text blue 500. Okay, now let's try tab. Okay, cool. Now we have the design focus, and duplicate it. Okay, we just set the value designs. This is the projects, and we have to change the icon here. Okay, now copy the class. Okay, now we have, okay, we have the button. Okay, then, okay, next the label. call it full name. Input text. Okay, the label. Make it block. Text small. Text gray 500. Okay, now we set for the input full, rounded. Okay, px1, py maybe 2. Okay, maybe we just try to set p2. Okay, and the spacing. Okay, I will use space utility, space 2. Okay, and the fields between space 6. Okay, we should move out. And we input here border rounded. Okay, we have rounded already. Border gray 4. No, it should be like 300. Okay, the full name. Okay, this one should end. Okay, looks cool. Okay. And focus. Border alignment. Focus. Maybe focus. Ring blue 500. Okay, focus ring. Okay, we don't want this. Okay, and we set back focus ring 1, focus ring blue 500. Okay, now we got the same focus with. Okay, cool. And the text, this is for the full name. Okay. Okay, the spacing here actually looks a bit big. Okay, I will try to move it to here. Okay. Okay, now we can set space y4. Okay, full name, then we change it to, okay, I forgot to set the ID. Location. Okay, and location, cut it a phone, and this should be a telephone, and phone number. All right. Elizabeth fiance. Okay, the text a bit dark. Maybe we should set text grading 700. Okay, much better. And for the phone number part, I'm not going to use any JavaScript plugin. I will stick to normal blank field. Then we have the button. Okay, the button. Proceed to next step. I will change it to submit. Okay, and the button. Maybe 600 text white. Give it a full and a bit rounded. Okay. And I'm trying to get the button out from. Okay, much better. And okay. Yep, that's all for today. We will make the form usable in the next video.